With SQUEAKS, teams get more done. After a performance gap or process abnormality has been identified, SQUEAKS then asks the question, now what? SQUEAKS drives action, linking problem-solving activities to the problem and closing the loop. Corrective actions and countermeasures are mapped out, advancing collaboration while driving accountability until the problem is solved. Inevitably, some problems or gaps in performance require a deeper dive analysis into the root cause. SQUEAKS helps your team organize comments, share files, and create project plans to solve problems and move work forward. A fundamental philosophy built into the SQUEAKS board is input from every employee makes a difference. With SQUEAKS, every employee is a problem solver and engaged in problem-solving activities and continuous improvement initiatives to advance plant priorities. With SQUEAKS, problem-solving activities and Kaizen projects make clear the tasks to be completed while clarifying ownership, dates, and status. SQUEAKS maintains a digital trail of every action taken, driving accountability and providing a platform for two-way communication that advances teamwork. With SQUEAKS, problem-solving is a team sport. From any data source, a message can be generated to specific individuals or other teams to bring key resources into the conversation to expedite a resolution. Following an important event, SQUEAKS engages employees to act swiftly, promoting teamwork and driving accountability. With SQUEAKS, messages cannot be ignored. To-the-point information is directed to the right people, along with rich multimedia content that provides further clarity. For the more serious concerns, you can define and apply workflows that ensure correct action is taken. With SQUEAKS, you can be sure that nothing important is going to slip through the cracks. If standardized workflows are not completed on time, SQUEAKS escalates to a higher level of management, creating a heightened sense of urgency until everything is under control. With SQUEAKS, each action or step taken is tracked and documented along the way. SQUEAKS ensures every problem is solved quickly and correctly. Thank you.